Building a train track can be a complex task that requires specialized knowledge and skills. Here are the general steps involved in building a train track. Plan the route. Determine the path where the train track will be built, taking into account factors such as terrain, obstacles, and the location of existing tracks. Acquire permits and approvals. Check with local authorities and obtain necessary permits and approvals for construction. Clear the land. Clear the land where the track will be laid, removing any vegetation or other obstacles in the way. Grade the land. Level the ground and make any necessary adjustments to ensure a stable foundation for the track. Lay the track bed. Build a sturdy foundation for the track using materials such as gravel, stone, or concrete. Install the rails. Place the steel rails on the track bed, using special equipment to ensure they are straight and level. Install the ties. Secure the rails to the track bed with ties, also known as sleepers, which are typically made of wood or concrete. Connect the rails. Use special connectors to join the rails together at the joints, creating a continuous track. Install switches and crossings. Install switches and crossings where the track intersects with other tracks or roads, allowing trains to change direction or cross over other tracks. Install signals and controls. Install signals and controls to ensure safe operation of the trains and prevent collisions. Test the track. Test the track to ensure that it is safe and functioning properly, using specialized equipment to detect any defects or weaknesses. Building a train track is a complex and specialized task, and it is important to have the necessary knowledge and skills to do it safely and effectively. It is recommended to hire experienced professionals who specialize in railway construction to complete this task. Technical aspect. Building a train track involves several technical aspects that are critical to ensure the track's safe and reliable operation. Here are some of the technical aspects to consider when building a train track. Gauge. The gauge is the distance between the two rails of the track. It is critical to ensure that the gauge is consistent throughout the track's length, as it affects the train's stability and speed. Standard gauges vary between countries, so it is important to follow the appropriate gauge for the location. Alignment. The track alignment refers to the straightness and curvature of the track. A straight track allows trains to travel at higher speeds, while a curved track requires a lower speed. Proper alignment ensures smooth and safe train operation. Grade. The grade is the slope or incline of the track. It is essential to control the grade to ensure the train can handle the incline and maintain a consistent speed. Grades are usually measured in percentage and must be within the safe limit for the locomotives and railcars. Ballast. The ballast is the material used to support the rails and ties. The ballast must be stable, provide proper drainage, and be able to distribute loads evenly. Common materials for ballast include crushed rock, gravel, or slag. Crossings. Where the train track intersects with other tracks, roads, or pedestrian paths, special crossings must be installed to allow safe passage. These crossings must be designed to prevent derailments, collisions, or accidents. Signals and controls. Signals and controls are critical to ensure safe and efficient train operation. Signals include wayside signals, signals at crossings, and signals that communicate with the train's operator. Controls include switches, interlockings, and traffic control systems. Building a train track involves several technical aspects that require specialized knowledge and skills. It is essential to work with experienced professionals who understand these technical aspects and can ensure the track's safe and reliable operation.